Kids Storybooks. Subscribe.
Lily and Taddy's Enchanted Picnic. Once upon a time in a whimsical forest, there lived a cute little girl named Lily and her best friend, a fluffy teddy bear named Taddy. Lily and Taddy were inseparable, and they spent their days exploring the magical wonders of the enchanted woods. One sunny morning, Lily and Taddy decided to have a picnic by the sparkling stream. They packed a basket full of delicious treats like honey sandwiches and berry pies. As they sat on a checkered blanket, butterflies danced around them, creating a colorful spectacle. Suddenly, a mischievous squirrel named Nutty appeared and snatched Taddy. Lily gasped, her eyes widening with surprise. Determined to rescue her beloved Teddy, Lily chased Nutty through the forest. They leapt over bubbling brooks, dashed past tall trees, and giggled as they rolled down grassy hills. After a playful chase, Nutty realized he had caused enough mischief. With a squeaky apology, he returned Taddy to Lily. Grateful and forgiving, Lily invited Nutty to join their picnic. From that day forward, Nutty became their new friend, adding more joy to their adventures in the enchanted forest. And so, Lily, Taddy, and Nutty continued to explore the magical woods together, creating happy memories that would last a lifetime. The trio's laughter echoed through the trees, spreading the magic of friendship far and wide.